Big area, Mackie D's, let's have a laugh. Yep, lad, how you doing? Hey, is it as wet in that box as it is out here, lad?
It's freezing, mate.
It must be terrible stuck in that box all day.
It's not too bad.
Anyway, can I have 2 large white coffees, lad?
2 hard white,
Yeah.
Heads up, mate.
What's this strange looking bloke with yellow clothes on out here?
Cool, now. Next to it, I think.
Hey?
It's cleaning.
Is he?
Yeah.
Oh, we'll try and get him on video and all then. Alright, lad.
Alright, buddy.
See you in a bit. Ta-ra, lad. How you doing? How's it going? Brilliant. Hello, Lazy, what's happening? Hello, Lazy, what's happening? Alright, lad. How much is that then?
3.8.
Oh,
There's my new body, she got an eater. Made it.
freezing, lad, isn't it? Oh,